Put one of the toys she usually plays with and see if that's attractive to her. Oh, oh, oh. I think she's trying. You take her bib off, honey? Good bird. Oh, oh. She's trying. Oh. Oh my God. Don't get frustrated. Help her with her hands. Those are the ones. Her legs are uber strong. It's her hands. You can do it. Look, 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 look. Okay. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. There you go. Did she move that much on her own, or did you? Oh. Okay, she's tired. So unfortunately we're trying to capture this on film, and now it's probably was a little mean because Megan is very tired, but she is showing signs that she's going to crawl. Okay, so we're going to sign off for now and try and make Megan a little happier.